The visual communication design at KU prepares students to become professional graphic designers, creative problem solvers, sophisticated form givers. Our graduates go on in careers in brand identity, motion graphics, packaging design, experiential design in museums and exhibitions, publishing. It kind of runs the gamut, all over in professional careers.
Visual communication means to me just making the world a more beautiful place and kind of seeing how you can put your own flair on the world and how you can express yourself.
I feel like the VisCom program here has given me a lot of experience in how to hone my skill set and how to hone my portfolio especially, and working towards something that I want to get a job in and bridging that gap between where I am now.
We're always trying to connect students with opportunities to do internships, so through alumni, through past students, through our network of designers and people that we know.
I feel like working on sponsored projects and working in this industry of graphic design and working with clientele is really awesome. It teaches me a lot of skills that I could use out there in the industry when I graduate.
One important piece of it is that you're then working with a client, so there are more constraints put on it, but it teaches you how to work in the real world and how to respond to that criticism. I've received portfolio help from professors, mentors, other professionals in the field.
We help students design, portfolios that we know are going to help them get a job. So we know what to look for and also know how to help them design things in a way where they can take this thing out and be immediately ready to start interviewing with it.
Smaller class size is really nice. It helps me be able to collaborate with others, build a good group of community, and also be able to get personal help from each and every teacher.
I think just being surrounded by people who are as motivated as I am and have the same appreciation for this art is like absolutely amazing and the most beneficial part of this program.
I feel like being a designer makes you more aware of the world around you, how you interact with it, and how you treat people. I feel like design is just like a good compass of how to move through the world. And so I feel like we really push those types of ideas with our students.